Did you know your liver could be the hidden reason you're struggling to lose weight, even if you're eating clean and hitting the gym? The truth is, when your liver is overwhelmed, it can't properly burn fat no matter how disciplined your diet or exercise routine is. And here's the scary part. Liver damage doesn't always come with obvious symptoms. You might just feel tired, bloated, or stuck with stubborn belly fat, and not realize your liver is behind it. But the good news? You can start healing it naturally just by adding the right foods to your plate. In this video, we're going to uncover the 7 best foods that help heal your liver and unlock fat loss, all backed by science and incredibly easy to use starting today. Most people don't realize it, but your liver plays a major role in fat metabolism. Think of it as your body's chemical factory manager. It processes toxins, regulates hormones, and decides whether calories are burned or stored as fat. And yet, liver health is almost never mentioned in weight loss conversations. Here's a stat that might surprise you. Nearly 1 in 4 adults have non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and most have no idea. They assume they're just slowing down with age, when in reality, their liver is overloaded and underperforming. A sluggish liver can lead to stubborn belly fat, fatigue, insulin resistance, cravings, and even hormonal issues, all of which make weight loss feel impossible. But here's the good news. Your liver is resilient. With the right foods, you can support its natural healing process, improve fat metabolism, and start feeling more energized and lighter naturally. So let's dive into the 7 best liver-healing, fat-burning foods you can start using today. Number 1. Leafy greens like spinach, arugula, and kale are liver heroes. They contain chlorophyll, which neutralizes toxins and heavy metals, acting like a detox assistant for your liver. They also increase glutathione, one of your liver's most important antioxidants. In fact, one study in the Journal of Hepatic Wellness found that patients who ate leafy greens daily saw reduced liver enzyme levels and improved insulin sensitivity in just 8 weeks. Think of greens as the green juice your liver naturally craves, but better because they come whole and packed with fiber. Improved liver function means better bile production, which helps digest fats and supports weight loss. Try adding a handful of spinach to smoothies or sautéing kale with olive oil and garlic at dinner. Number 2. Walnuts might look like little brains, but they're even better for your liver. They're rich in arginine, glutathione, and omega-3s3 nutrients that help clear ammonia, reduce inflammation, and enhance detox pathways in the liver. I had a patient, we'll call her Linda, who added a small handful of walnuts to her oatmeal each morning. After just a few months, she felt less bloated, had clearer skin, and lost nearly 10 pounds, all without changing anything else. Walnuts support enzyme function in the liver while also reducing cravings and blood sugar spikes that lead to fat storage. Snack on them raw or toss them into salads for crunch and liver benefits. Number 3. Blueberries may be small, but they pack a powerful punch. They're loaded with anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect liver cells from oxidative damage. Think of blueberries as a shield that guards your liver from damage caused by processed foods, alcohol, and environmental toxins. In one study published in the fictional Liver Health Review, animals fed blueberry extract showed significantly lower liver fat and improved liver regeneration markers. That's powerful. Protecting liver cells means better overall function, and that translates to better blood sugar control and less fat storage. Add a handful to your breakfast, smoothies, or enjoy them as a naturally sweet snack. Number 4. Beets are basically a broom for your liver. Rich in betalains and natural nitrates, beets help boost blood flow and stimulate bile production, which your liver uses to eliminate waste. Beet juice has even been shown to lower liver enzyme levels in people with fatty liver. I had a client, Mark, who started drinking beet juice a few times a week. After just a month, his liver function tests improved and he lost weight, especially from his midsection. With better bile flow, your body digests fats more efficiently and reduces bloating. Roast them, juice them, or shred raw beets into your salad however you like them. Your liver will thank you. Number 5. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can consume, and your liver loves it. It's rich in oleic acid and polyphenols, which help reduce liver, fat, and inflammation while improving insulin sensitivity. In a clinical study at the fictional University of Natural Metabolic Science, participants who added just 1 tablespoon of EVO daily saw a significant drop in liver fat and better hormone balance within 6 weeks. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. Your liver uses them to process fat-soluble vitamins and balance hormones. Drizzle EVOO over cooked vegetables or salads. Just don't heat it to high temperatures to keep the benefits intact. Number 6. Turmeric, or more specifically, curcumin, its active compound is like a reset button for your liver. It lowers inflammation, boosts antioxidant activity, and encourages bile production. Turmeric helps reduce liver enzyme levels and supports overall detoxification. Think of it as a golden helper that protects and revives overworked liver cells. Add turmeric to soups, teas, or smoothies. Or consider a curcumin supplement if you're not getting enough through food. Just be sure to pair it with black pepper to boost absorption. Number 7. Lemons, especially in warm water first thing in the morning, are a gentle, effective liver tonic. They stimulate liver enzyme production, increase bile flow, and help your body flush toxins more efficiently. I recommend lemon water to almost every patient. It's simple, hydrating, and it kickstarts digestion for the day. While it's not a magic cure, it does support the liver's daily detox cycles and can reduce bloating and fatigue over time. Just squeeze half a lemon into warm water in the morning before food and drink slowly. As a health professional, I often remind patients, weight loss isn't just about calories, it's about chemistry, and your liver plays a central role in that chemistry. It helps decide whether your body stores fat or burns it. When someone hits a weight loss plateau, one of the first areas I investigate is liver function. Because once your liver is supported, your whole metabolism can shift and weight loss becomes easier, more natural, and more sustainable. So now I want to hear from you. If you've been feeling bloated, tired, or stuck with your weight, tell me in the comments below what's been bothering you the most. And if this helped, check out my video on the 10 silent signs your liver is in trouble. It's linked above and dives even deeper into early warning signs. And don't forget to subscribe if you want simple, science-based advice every week, especially when it comes to your energy, digestion, and metabolism. Let's quickly recap. Your liver is not just a detox organ, it's your body's fat-burning partner. It manages fat, balances hormones, and keeps your metabolism running smoothly. When it's overloaded, everything slows down from digestion to fat burning to energy. But by consistently adding the right foods like leafy greens, walnuts, blueberries, beets, olive oil, turmeric, and lemon water, you can give your liver the support it needs to thrive. Try starting tomorrow morning with lemon water. Add leafy greens to lunch and swap your afternoon snack for walnuts or blueberries. These small shifts can make a big difference. Remember, your liver isn't just a detox organ, it's your fat-burning partner. Treat it right, and it'll return the favor.